In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list database in Notion. To get started, open Notion and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the workspace, you'll be ready to create a new area for your database. Notion is flexible, so this process works well whether you're organizing tasks, tracking projects, or keeping a simple reference list. Next, create a new page by clicking New Page in the sidebar. This gives your database its own dedicated space, which helps keep things organized from the very beginning. After the page opens, you can start building the structure of your list. Now, add a database. You can do this by clicking Database or by typing /database to bring up the available options. Notion offers several database formats, and for this tutorial, you'll want to select the list option. A list database is a great choice when you want a clean, simple layout that's easy to scan and update. Once the list appears, give your database a name. Choose something clear and specific so you can quickly recognize its purpose later. A good name makes the workspace easier to navigate, especially if you end up creating multiple databases. After naming it, take a moment to review the default properties already included in the database. These are the built-in fields that Notion provides to help you begin. Looking through them first is useful because it shows you what information is already being tracked and what you may want to change or expand. From there, add custom properties to match your needs. For example, you might create fields for status, date, priority, or tags. Properties are what turn a simple list into a more useful database because they let you categorize and sort your information in meaningful ways. When your setup is ready, click New to create your first entry. This is where you begin adding actual items to the database. Enter the details for that item by filling in the relevant fields. Try to be consistent with the way you enter information, since that will make filtering and sorting much more effective later on. Continue adding more entries until your list starts to take shape. As your database grows, you'll begin to see how helpful the list format can be for keeping information neat and accessible. Next, customize the view by adjusting property visibility, sorting, grouping, or filtering as needed. This helps you focus on the information that matters most and makes the database easier to work with on a daily basis. Finally, review the database to make sure all entries appear correctly in the list view. Check that the information is accurate and that the layout works the way you want. Thanks for watching.